Okay, let's start at the beginning. There are these little things called atoms that make up everything in the world, in the universe. And I mean that, literally all things, from fireworks to cars to you to cute little teddy bears. Everything on the planet is made up of these tiny little specks that we call atoms. There are a bunch of different types of these atoms called elements. On the screen now we got some hydrogen, some carbon, and some oxygen. And for reasons that we are not going to get into right now, different elements can make a different number of connections, also called bonds. For other reasons that we also don't care about, elements have preferences on who they're bonded with. So although CH4 and O2 are bonded and happy, they're a lot happier if they're CO2 and H2O. Atoms do this when they break all the bonds they have, rearrange, and hook up with new atoms to make new bonds. We call that a chemical reaction. Now, to make a reaction happen, though, we need to add energy to the things we got to break those bonds. Then the atoms are free to rearrange to be how they want. And then when they click back together and make their new bonds, a bunch of energy is released, usually in the form of heat, which means that sometimes the reaction happens and things get warmer. What we're looking at here, for instance, is the combustion of methane. This is what happens when something catches on fire. Now, since we know the mass of these atoms, we know how many atoms there are in each compound, and we know how many compounds there are, there's a fair amount of math we can do. Math to figure out, well, how much CH4 methane do we need to get, I don't know, say 10 grams of carbon dioxide out of it. For now, we don't care about that. That's everything you need to know about chemistry.